Ground-to-Air Integrated Testing System (FDD Interference Analysis). Deviser Instruments' ground-to-air integrated 5G testing system consists of an industrial drone carrying a spectrum receiver module on board with a directional antenna. The ground personnel and operator pilot will use a portable handheld 5G spectrum analyzer, the E8900A, a handheld directional antenna, a drone remote control with monitor, and an iPad which remote controls the spectrum receiver module attached to the drone. Deviser Instruments' ground-to-air integrated 5G testing system, the primary testing functions are base station signal coverage testing 5G beaming and FDD interference analysis. Remote ground-to-air FDD interference analysis testing will direct the drone to fly at the same altitude as the antenna and around the base station under test. The ground technician observes the signal received by the spectrum receiver's module and pilots the drone to fly into the direction of the strongest interference. The drone then hovers at the position where the interference signal is strongest, and the pilot flies the drone horizontally from side to side, scanning for the strongest interference signal, and uses the interference analysis feature of the iPad to identify the building where the interference is coming from. The pilot then points the directional antenna mounted on the drone towards the target building for validation. The drone then scans the target building both horizontally and vertically, allowing the ground technician to observe the changing interference signal strength on the iPad. When the strongest interference signal position is secured and locked, the ground technician uses the 5G spectrum analyzer, the E8900A, to confirm the location of the interference signal. The test is then complete and the drone can return safely to the pilot. Authorized personnel can then proceed to repair the source of the interference.